If you service a local community or a local geography, Google local ads are going to be the silver bullet you've been looking for. Let's clear the chaos of client attraction. This is video 76 as I count down 100 marketing ideas that you can use to grow your business. Today, we're talking about Google local ads. Now, Google local ads you have to pay for, but when you pay for these things and someone's searching for what you do and you service a geography, you're going to show up at the top of the Maps listings. And that's really what people are clicking on. And so I want you to explore how Google local ads can work for you to get you placed on the map. Now, if you're already placed on the map organically, you're going to get about the same number of clicks without the click cost. So you're gonna want to explore that. You're gonna want to go to a computer that you've never used before or go into incognito mode and search for what you do and see where you show up in the Google listings in Google Maps. If you're not showing up, it might be worth spending some money on Google local ads to get you to show up right now, and then work on your local optimization so that you show up organically as well, and then you can have a balance of the two. The next video in this series is right here. This entire series from the start can be found up here, and if you click on this link, you can subscribe to my channel to get alerts every time I create new videos like this.